Hello everyone, welcome. It is Courtney here with Doodle Dollar. I am here today to save some money. We're going to be rolling this die and seeing which challenge it lands on, and that challenge will get 2 bills. I have $15 here and 2 5s, so we're gonna mix these in to our stack. This dollar has seen better days, my friend. Are you okay? Poor thing. That is like the dirtiest dollar bill. Dollar bill. Okay. So it is a surprise because I kind of wanted to not see which challenge is getting what until the very end. Keep it exciting. Okay, number 6 is getting 2 bills. Oh, number 6 again. Number 5 is getting a 5. Number 6. Number 3. I hope y'all have had number 6 again with the other 5. Number 5 again. Oh no. Number 6 again, y'all. And number 2. Oh my goodness. These two didn't get anything. Okay. That's totally fine. Okay, so this one is Raindrops and Roses. This was a freebie in my Ko-fi. So that one is getting nothing. This one is by Creative Ink Scribbles, also getting nothing. And so let's see what we got here. Let me just set these up nice and neat so I don't get confused. Anyways, I was saying, I hope y'all have a great, y'all are having a great week, and that, you know, everything is going well for the start of your new year so far. I am back at work this week. I mean, actually, as I'm filming this, I'm not back at work yet. So I'm still enjoying my break right now, but I will be back to work when this video is released, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5. So 14. All right, 1. I'm gonna have to keep track of this because usually don't get that much in one go. 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to color these in while I'm filming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I already lost track of my count. 7, 8. Okay, I think that's correct. So we should have $21 total. So let's see if that's correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yay! All right. So this is by Paper Yum Co., and this is going towards Aria's college fund. So my goal, one of my goals for this year, one of my financial goals at least, is to open a high yield savings account for Aria. And so this college fund is going towards that. I have a high yield saving account. It doesn't have very much in it, but I mean, it has a decent amount, enough for like an emergency fund, a little emergency fund. But I really want her to have one as well. Okay, this challenge is by Vicky Thinks. I have really enjoyed getting to know her and checking out her Ko-fi page and her videos, her channel. It's just been really fun. Love that she has so many freebies and stuff on her Ko-fi. So go check her out if you are not familiar with her channel, Vicky Thinks. And so this challenge got $2. So we're going to color in 2 of these little bubbles here. This was a set of 3 sea creatures, and I just thought it was so cute for Aria. So this should have 6 total now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it does. And this is going towards Aria's birthday, which is in March. So man, it feels like now that the new year is here, that is coming up pretty quickly. And I've saved, I think I just checked and I have maybe like $40 in Aria's birthday fund. All right, this one is called Powder Penguins. This is a set that I created. It is in my Etsy shop. You can download it for a couple dollars. And so, wait a second, we can't do that because, never mind. We only have $1 to add. So we don't quite have enough. But yeah, this is going to be going towards Aria's clothes. And I did take her money that I'd already saved for clothes and I went to Once Upon a Child and I was able to get her like 5 pairs of pants for $28, y'all. It was so nice. I don't know if y'all have Once Upon a Child near you, but it was so good. Some of the pants were from, like, there was a pair of pants from Gap, and it was like $10. Okay, so this one had the 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we going to be able to finish this today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we are. Finally. I feel like this has been a rough couple weeks for these minis. I'm just not finishing any of them, which makes me sad because I have so many in my pile of ones that I want to show y'all and ones that I want to use from people in the community. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's 20, correct? Yeah. So we should have 20. Let's see if we have 20. But anyways, Once Upon a Child, it was so nice. I felt like I was just running away with great deals. 1, 2, 3, wait, 5. Let me start with the 5. Let me start with 5 because my brain can't handle not starting with the 5. I'm so bad, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, my bad. So these $2 need to go in the new challenge. That's what happened. Okay, anyways, so this is going towards her back to school. So I will put that in at the end of this month. So this will get a paper clip for now. And this is going to go in our finished bag right in here. And we need a new challenge. So let me see where my challenges went. I have a lot of them in here. Okay, we're going to use this one by Autumn at Restoration by Autumn. This is her National Days for January, and this was in her Ko-fi shop as well, so go grab it if you haven't. She has so many freebies on there too, and they're all so cute. So we have $2 here, so we're going to cross out 2 of these coffees. Coffee. This is going to be everybody on Monday morning. Unless you're one of those people who like loves to go to work. In that case, congratulations. I'm excited for you. I'm happy for you. This will definitely be me on Monday. All right. So that is all of our challenges. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please consider subscribing if you're not yet subscribed. And if you have already, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.